Hey everybody, so today I've got something that I've wanted since I was 6 years old, and I bought this expecting that it would be brand new, but it was used, turns out, because there was no box inside, and there was just plastic wrapping around the product. Okay, and let's open it up. So here is a Makita brushless black impact driver. So yeah, and it looks very cool. I'll put the battery on and I'll show you the speeds. So here are the speeds, and here are the speeds. So there is soft and self-tapping mode. I think this is the one that when you drive the screw in the wood, the screw stops when you drive it into the wood. So yeah, and here is the regular the regular mode, which is the when S and H is both have red on top of them. So yeah, and regular mode is for longer screws and it's more powerful, and this is what it sounds like. And the soft sounds like this, and the self-tapping sounds like this. So next video I'll show you, I'll do a comparison between this new black Makita Impact driver versus the cyan Makita Impact driver. So anyways, have a good day, and I hope I'll see you later, and I hope soon I will be able to do the test. And anyways, bye.